Hello and welcome to Froggy Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the half double stitch. So this is one of the basic building blocks of crochet and a stitch that is quite popular to use because of what you can do with the extra third loop that's created. So let's look at how we make a half double crochet stitch. So it's a half double because it's half the size of a double crochet, but it's slightly taller than a single crochet. And it's made as if you're starting a double crochet. So let's look how we make this stitch and what makes it so special and why it's really useful for making different textures in your crochet. So to start a half double crochet, you go to yarn over and then insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's the half double crochet. So a single crochet is the V with 1 bar across the top. The half double crochet adds a second bar because we pull through all 3 loops. This loop here, this first bar at the bottom, is your third loop. So most stitches have 2 loops. So you've got the 2 at the top. Okay. But with the half double, you get a third. Because pulling through all 3 loops at once. And it's that third loop that makes this such an interesting stitch. So let's make a few more of these stitches and I'll tell you more about that third loop. Okay, so yarn over. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay. So we finish the stitch as like a single crochet, pulling through all the loops on our hook, but we start the stitch like a double crochet. So starting like a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and finishing like a single crochet, we pull through all the loops on our hook. Of course, a single crochet would only have 2 loops on your hook, but this stitch is a halfway house between single and double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And you get this really interesting look coming out. So let's look a bit closer at the stitches. So you get this extra loop on the front, and this is the back. So there's an extra loop back here as well, and it's this back loop that's easy to work into. So technically that is a third loop, but it's this extra loop back here that you'd work into. And working into that instead of the top loops, that pushes those top loops forward, so you're working into the back to create this line of texture on the front. So stitches like the camel stitch. The camel stitch is made entirely with half double crochet, but takes advantage of this back loop to create rows of really pretty texture, having this braided look across the front of the fabric. So all different kinds of stitches take advantage of being able to use that extra loop to create really interesting texture in your fabric. And you can do it just by using half double crochet. Nothing fancy involved. So when you are using half double crochet stitches, it's important to know which loops you're using, whether you're using the top 2 loops as you would normally, or whether you're going to be working into the extra loop. So when you're talking about the third loop, it's usually the one on the back. Although you have an extra bar at the front, that's normally not the one that people talk about using. It's the one on the back of the stitch, because it's much easier to get into that back stitch. It's much looser than the one on the front. You can see how it's much bigger and looser than this one underneath. That's going to be much more difficult to get into. So to use the third loop of a half double crochet, you use the back one here. And that is how you crochet the half double stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. And if you have any questions about how to crochet or need any assistance, please do come over to our Facebook group, Frog2 Frogs Ripped and Stitch. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to crochet and free patterns as well. So thank you for watching. I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.